Happy Memorial Day weekend to you. It's Julie Marie, and I'm here with Lucky Christensen, buddy man. And he is just hanging out. He's being so good. He hasn't touched a thing on the table. So well trained. Good boy, Lucky. And we have I want to show you what our feast is like tonight to kick off the weekend. We're having roasted corn. I just got this off the grill, and buffalo cauliflower that I grilled instead of baked. And we have our buttermilk ranch to dip it in. I was dipping already. And this is a fermented salsa I'm working on for you. This is the unfried beans topped with all our probiotic pepper rings, pickled pepper rings, and then the probiotic onions, the cranberry poppers, baked tostadas to scoop it all up. I have a chai lattes to keep us warm as the sun sets, and some shredded lettuce with chopped cilantro and ruby rock kraut to go on top of this tostada with this bean dip. I have some grilled peppers, mini bell peppers that I threw on the grill, just plain, keeping it simple on a protective diet. I wish you all a healthy, happy Memorial Day weekend, and I'm so excited to kick off the beginning of summer, and so is Lucky. Take care, and best of health.